Hello, here we have a toilet that is loose and rocking. What the problem is with a loose or rocking toilet is it can it can break the seal if it's a wax seal or even a rubber seal. And then you're going to get water leaks. Now I'm sure this toilet wasn't doing this when it was set. However, I can show you how I fix it going forward. The camera's not really picking this up here, but it is rocking. So what I typically do, because it's the tile floor especially, now tiles, even by professionals, they're never 100% level. So what I do is I lay a bead of caulking, 100% silicone, either on the sides or on just the front. And what that's going to do is just stop any movement going forward. I hope this helps. Now I'm going to have to pull this toilet and reset it just to make sure. But definitely just never caulk all the way around the toilet, because what that's going to do is not tell you if the toilet leaks in the future. Okay, thanks for watching.